This is the new G-Shock GA 2100 1A3. It's a full black model with a little bit of green on the dial, and we think everyone will love this model so much. Okay, hello and what's up everyone? Today we are so excited to have this beautiful G-Shock GA 2100 1A3 on our desk. Casio certainly has a very high hopes for this new model because the G-Shock GA 2100 model has become the most phenomenal model in recent years. And we think by bringing back the full black color model, Casio wants to repeat the success of the G-Shock GA 2100 1A1. Basically, this model is only given a few bright color accents such as green, blue, and orange. And we think it's a brilliant move by Casio to re-attract new customers because everyone is no doubt very interested in the full black G-Shock model. But the question is, will this new model get as much as attention as before? We think it will be quite difficult because the GA 2100 model is almost 3 years old now and its position is not as strong as it was in the first years it was launched. But we have no doubt that this new model will easily beat some of the other G-Shock models in the G-Shock category at a price of $100. It will be quite difficult for other models to compete with this model, even some of the newer G-Shock models. This new color model has been released in February 2022 in Japan. Basically, these three new colors are just given a neon accent on the dial. The G-Shock GA 2100 1A3 gets a very refreshing neon green accent. But if you look at it at a glance, we believe that the full black theme still looks dominant. You know what we really love about this model is that it keeps the bezel black and unpainted. Then Casio adds the green neon color essence to the hands, hour marker tips, the indicator, and dial labels. And the result is a G-Shock with a classic design but looks very refreshing. The neon color of the hands makes reading that much easier, but if we look from the other side, this model looks just like a full black model. It's no wonder that this model is very popular and quickly become one of the most attention-grabbing models today. And of course, the presence of this new color makes people quite curious and start comparing it with the regular full black model. With the difficulty of buying a full black model up to now, this neon model is getting more and more in demand today. But in fact, the demand for the regular full black model is still very high, but unfortunately the supply is very limited in the market. Okay, some of you may be wondering if this neon model has the advantage of light on the dial. Too bad with about 1 minute of light exposure, we only get light on the hour hand. But thanks to the presence of two LED lights, dark condition will be not disturb your activities too much. The G-Shock GA 2100 1A3 retails for $99 or the same as the other regular GA 2100 models. At under $100, this model is clearly getting a lot of demand from the market. Many even then resell it at a higher price. The G-Shock GA 2100 is considered one of the most compact G-Shock models to date. It comes with a width of 45.4mm from the left to the right side of the bezel. But the main advantage of this model is that it is very thin at only 11.8mm. To that, the G-Shock GA 2100 is still the thinnest G-Shock model Casio has ever produced. Not to mention, it also has a very lightweight, which is only 51 grams. The G-Shock GA 2100 was originally released in August 2019. Since then, new colors has been released every few months to attract the attention of new buyers. For almost 3 years, the GA 2100 dominates the sale of G-Shock watches worldwide. No wonder if any color released by Casio for the GA 2100 model, it will almost certainly sell very well. With the technology of carbon corrugate structure, Casio also managed to reduce the total weight of this watch. The result is a tough and strong G-Shock that still has a very compact size that you can use for any activity. In recent years, Casio has been so aggressive to build G-Shock that is more compact but with better strength and toughness. And without a doubt, this compact and tough G-Shock GA2100 model is one of Casio's most successful products. Okay guys, that's our review for this black G-Shock GA2100 1A3. This color is clearly a favorite by most people until now. But don't worry if you feel this model doesn't suit you, because on our next videos, we still have many Casio watch for you. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to support our channel and see you on our next videos.